Welcome! Today, we're going to walk you through how to monitor the status of your application for a scholarship through the AAA Scholarship Management Platform, also known as SMP. Whether you're checking in on your progress, looking into a possible on-hold status, or responding to a request for more information, this video will guide you every step of the way. Now let's get started. First and foremost, check your email regularly. Once your application has been submitted, be sure to check your email frequently. This is the primary way we'll contact you if your application status changes or if additional information is needed. If your application is placed on hold, you'll receive an email notification notifying you of the on-hold status and requesting that you log back into the Scholarship Management Platform. Visit the AAA SMP login page. Enter your email address and password. Click Login. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. On your dashboard, find your student's name. To the far right, you'll see the current status of their application. If you're unsure what a status means, click the question mark icon next to the status list. A guide will appear explaining all the possible status types and what they indicate. If your application is marked on hold, you will usually also receive a message within the application detailing what's needed to move forward. To view or respond to a message, click the Messages link located in the upper right toolbar near your name. The message screen will appear. You can respond by typing into the text box labeled Type a Message and clicking Send. If additional documentation is required, click the paperclip icon in the message box. Select the appropriate file from your device. Upload it, then click Send. Please note, messages are not reviewed in real time, so be patient. Once you respond, your application will go back into review, and you'll receive another email once a new determination has been made. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to the AAA YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials, including how to complete your application, select your school, and manage your scholarship successfully. We'll see you in the next video.